Hey, good evening, friends. How are you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your friend Sachin Nachnani. I am very sure that today all of you must have made good money and it must have been a profitable day for you, especially if you had traded according to my views. In my last video, I had very clearly mentioned my view that Nifty is expected to go to what level, and it was bang on target. We expected the Nifty to go to 10,600 level when nobody was expecting it, and yes, it made a high of 10,598 plus. This was despite weak US markets overnight, and bank nifty was actually very weak today. It ended slightly negative. In fact, even today morning, especially in the first half, people were very skeptical of the rally, and most were expecting that it won't go above 10,500 levels. It will close around 10,500 levels, but I was very clear that it will shoot up and it will most likely go to 10,600 levels. And yes, it shot up like a rocket in the second half and reached our targets also. My analysis was to sell puts, and what was more important was that I had suggested to buy call options, which is something which I don't usually give in my videos. But this was because of my analysis, which I had done very clearly yesterday and shared with all of you, and it played out to perfection in the case of Nifty. In fact, even today morning, if you had bought the 10,500 call option, which was available at under 30 rupees for some time in the morning, you could have made 3 times returns because it went up to over 90 rupees. And of course, if you had sold the 10,000 put, the entire premium came to you. In fact, aggressive traders seeing the gap up should have actually also sold 10,500 put option, which also got reduced to zero. If you want to check out the exact views that I had given in my video, you can check it above, and of course the link is also given in the description box below. But for now, my only suggestion to you is, if you don't want to miss out on such profitable analysis, do subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so that you get notified immediately once my video is released. So let's get back to work and have a look at the option chain for next week. So Nifty today closed at 10,551 level, went up by almost 122 points. And just like today, Nifty for tomorrow also is put heavy with 1.4 crore shares open interest, while on the call side, the open interest is lower with around 1.13 crore shares outstanding. Highest open interest today is again at 10,000 level, over 15.04 lakh shares. And this comes as no surprise for all my viewers, because I've been specifically mentioning in all my videos that 10,000 is going to be a very strong support level for Nifty for next few days. Again, the next highest position with very close open interest is of 15.03 lakh shares at 10,400 level. Open interest addition is also very meaningful with almost 12 lakh shares getting added today itself. So 10,400 level should be a very strong support at least for tomorrow. Now viewers, please keep in mind that new series begins actually from tomorrow. So these positions will change in the morning again. We'll have to take a fresh view tomorrow during market, and of course I'll be sharing my video after market. But what is important is that don't get carried away. Also keep in mind that tomorrow, that is Friday 3rd July, is a holiday for US markets because they're celebrating their Independence Day, which actually falls on 4th of July, that is Saturday. We will do our analysis keeping this factor in mind. On the call side, the highest position is at 11,000 level with around 15.5 lakh shares open interest, while a similar open interest is also at 10,600 levels. The highest open interest addition has actually happened at 11,000 levels. Now again, because of the sharp rally that Nifty has seen, people are writing far out of the money call options. The short covering was also evident in the Nifty futures, which today closed at 10,540 levels. So the discount has actually come down very sharply. It was around 60 to 70 points few days back, and today it stands at just over 10 points. So let's have a look at the charts also. Nifty has closed exactly at the resistance level around 10,550, although as compared to the earlier close, this positioning is relatively better. And looking at this, I would say that there is still some upside left in Nifty, and won't be surprised to see Nifty reaching 10,800 levels sooner than later. So based on all this, what is the view? What should you be doing? Keeping in mind the factors which I told you, and also the point that Nifty has rallied almost 2.5% in the last two trading sessions, it is quite possible that there will be some consolidation in the next 2 or 3 trading sessions. So it is better not to get very aggressive on any side. So though the highest open interest is at 10,400 levels, my view would be to play it little safe and to sell 10,300 puts, which is quoting around 46 rupees right now. And if as a conservative trader you don't want to take any of these positions home, you can square off the position towards the end of the day. But in case you are still keen on taking position over the weekend, you can also go for 10,200 put option. If you want to play it very safe and if you want to take a hedge, then buy 10,000 put option as a hedge to any of the options that you have sold. This will give you protection and also reduce the margin under the new margin rules. I had shared a video on the new margin rules which were effective from June 1st. You can check out the video link given above. Let's have a look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty today closed at 21,953, down by around 24 points. Since Bank Nifty is relatively weak, today again it has become call savvy with over 24 lakh shares outstanding on the call side, while on the put side it is just below 19 lakh shares open interest. The highest open interest is at 23,000 level, and next highest open interest is actually almost the same, is at 22,500 level. Even when you look at the chart, you will see that 22,500 level is a very strong resistance level, and even today it was not able to cross it. In my video also yesterday I had mentioned that if Bank Nifty crosses 22,500 level, then we can buy 22,700 calls, and most likely Bank Nifty will touch 23,000 level. However, Bank Nifty did not cross this level or reach anywhere close to it, so we did not buy any calls on the Bank Nifty side. Based on all these factors, my view is to sell 23,000 call option, which is trading around 144 rupees right now, and which also has the highest open interest. As we have seen that 23,000 is going to be a very strong resistance, so this would be an ideal position to sell. Safe traders can take a hedge by buying 23,500 call option, which is trading around 64 rupees. So this will turn out to be a credit spread with a net credit of 144 minus 64, which is around 80 rupees credit. I would not advise to do anything on the put option side. So this is the analysis for tomorrow on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's hope you have a profitable day and a profitable week ahead. Do share your experience in the comments box below. Thank you and happy trading.